Hello everybody, Peter here. Today we're unboxing the latest MacBook Pro from Apple. So this is the 14-inch variant with an M1 processor. So what's special about this laptop is the fact that it does not feature an Intel processor. This has been a big shift into Apple's lineup. This is an in-house built processor and it changes quite a lot. Makes some problems with the compatibilities. It is faster and more power efficient. That we'll see later. But right now, I will not bore you with any of the technical stuff, even though I'm quite excited about what's inside. We'll start the unboxing, right? So in here, I have the box. This is like the image of the laptop on the top. Pretty simple box. Here is the name MacBook. Again here, so I guess you can see it really fast on a shelf. In here, there's the Apple logo. Quite nothing on the back, like just some inscriptions about the laptop. And here the Apple logo as well. Now, as you're used to Apple, this is a sliding box, so you just have to wiggle it around. I think it gets more to the experience, like it makes you feel like it's a Christmas present, like shaking it up a little. Here, the laptop that I had to open for a little, but I put everything back up. This is the only thing that I had to open when I bought it. So just take this out of the sheet, put this aside. Small. This is smaller than the 16-inch variant. And looks like I put it the other way around, like this. And now you can open it and remove this. It's gonna power on. I'm gonna let it do that for now, for some privacy issues. I'm gonna go around it to see what it has. So here is the charging port, 2 USB Type-Cs and a headphone jack. I actually joked about this because they haven't removed it, even though they have removed it on the iPhone, but I guess there is still enough space here. Here are 4 rubber feet. On the other side, alright, looks like an SD card reader, a HDMI and another Type-C. Quite a simple design. I'm gonna put this aside now, since this is just the unboxing. We're gonna see more later about the laptop itself, because this is mostly what it's contained within the box. Right. Here's the box itself. And in here, there's the charging cable. Let's open it nicely. This is how it comes. I think it's quite impossible to take it out without breaking at least a little bit of the cardboard tabs in here. But we're gonna try, because it's some cool packaging, and I might want to use it at some point. Alright, that's gone. One last one. Really good packaging, really premium, but it's a mess to take it out in one piece. This is the charging cable. So there's Type-C on one part and the charging port onto the other. Right, also in here there's a booklet, and into the booklet, let me see if I can get everything outside. Something in here doesn't want to come out. Wonder what it is. I think there's a manual in here. I'm not able to get it out. So there are some Apple stickers. I don't know why you would use them, but still. And some manuals. So this is a quick start start guide, and it explains everything that we have in here. And this is the charger. Let's remove this protective cover. And it already broke. Screw it. And in here, this is the charger. It's a European plug. You can take it out and you can like change the charger. This looks like the basic radio plug. So I guess if you manage to break this, you can just put the cable in here, like the radio cable or the old TV cable, put it in here and just have, if not a good looking device, at least a working one. Also in here looks like a magnet or something that keeps this on. Let's put it back like that. And in the box, this cannot be taken out, so I guess that's it. Let's recap. This is the charger. This is the cable. The manuals and the sticker. Inside here, I do not know why I cannot take this out. Feels like it is glued somehow. Maybe it shouldn't be opened. Maybe there's something in here. I'll leave it as it is. Tell me in the comments if I missed something and that's my fault. And in here the laptop. That's what's in the packaging. Quite the basics. So I do remember the old days in which laptops would came with like drivers, CDs and all that stuff. That's as basic as you can get. And that's good because you do not waste materials for the environment. Not that at this price point they wouldn't afford it. But it's a cool addition. I have drawers full of stuff from previous devices that I bought, and I don't think I need any more. That's it with the unboxing. I went on a slower pace just to like get into the mood because this is a premium thing, so we shouldn't rush it. Take your time, see everything that's inside, and see you soon on the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.